Prozonic stands out as the premier choice for uPVC windows in India, due to several key factors that cater specifically to the unique challenges faced in the country. India experiences intense UV radiation 4 times higher than other countries. Prozonic addresses this by using a specialized compound formulation with the finest grade of raw material from world-class manufacturers to endure extreme weather conditions, ensuring durability and longevity. The company has a 6,000 metric ton annual capacity and also caters to premium luxury homes, further emphasizing their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. With India's high wind speeds and the necessity for robust structures, Prozonic windows boast high impact strength ideal for tall buildings and can withstand adverse weather. Dust resistant and easy maintenance. Recognizing India's dusty environment, Prozonic windows are designed with a high glossiness with more than 50 gloss units, enabling easy dust removal at minimal maintenance costs. Noise reduction solutions. In response to high noise levels in India, Prozonic offers various bead designs and window options such as double glazing and toughened glass ranging from 5mm to 35mm, effectively reducing noise infiltration. Quality control. Fully equipped in-house laboratory with a wide range of instruments for intensive research and development for the improvisation of products, testing and inspection of raw materials and finished products, ensuring precision, quality control and compliance with global quality standards. Moreover, Prozonic's commitment to quality is evidenced by its 20-year warranty against discoloration, profile bending, and deformation. This comprehensive warranty underscores their confidence in delivering durable, high-quality uPVC windows tailored to India's unique environmental challenges.